How to log in Shein account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to log into Shein account, you can use either the Shein application itself or you can just launch from your browser. I'm going to launch the Google Chrome browser over here and simply search for Shein.com. So as you can see, I've already searched for Shein.com and I'm in the official website of Shein application or Shein web page. Now tap on the Me section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of sign in or register at the top left corner. So select on sign in or register. Here you can sign in with your email or phone number, or you can simply continue with Google or with Facebook. So I'm going to simply enter the email ID over here for now. So let's tap on the email ID and let's just enter the email ID over here. So let's enter the email ID, tap on continue, then enter your password and verify yourself, and you'll be able to log into your Shein account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.